This is the GGC Thorns, Roses, and Buds app. In this app, you have this right here that says the list, and then it has the picture image right here, and it has this menu. So first thing, you can send and receive. So you have the choice, you can send, receive. It's not fully built, but it's coming soon. But you can send and receive right here. So you can go back, and right here, you can add another name. So I'll add the name dog. Dog added right here. You go back, and then you have 3 in the list right here. So now you can actually swap between any of these, and then the icon changes as well. So if I hit Jonathan, and then I go right there, and I do it, then it will not select Jonathan. If I unselect it, it will select all 3. So if I select dog, it'll do that. Now if I select all 3 right here, it's going to say there's nothing here, there's nothing in the list. If I unselect all 3 of these, then it's going to let me go through. So I can also sort. I'll sort between in alphabetical order. I can shuffle. It'll go between the different indexes. I can also go to the about. So you can see it's been created by me, created for this class, and then a picture, and then the date right here. Also, we can clear the list. So you can see that there's nothing here right now. So if I go here and I try to select this, there's nothing here. Then if I add a name, I'll add a name Catter. I'll add the name here, Catter added. Go back, and you'll see Catter here. So if I go ahead and do this, it should say Catter here. Catter. Alright, so finally this list can persist. So if I exit out of it and then go back inside of it, give it a second to load back up. Yep, and then it's back where it started.